Hello everyone, today we are diving into Facebook Pixel and Analytics. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you will be able to set up Facebook Pixels on a WordPress website. Let's jump right in. A Facebook Pixel is a tool provided by Facebook that allows advertisers to track the actions of users on their website. It's a piece of code that you place on your website, and it collects data that helps you measure the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns on Facebook. The pixel works by triggering events on your website, such as page views, clicks, or conversions, and then relaying that information back to Facebook. Here are some key functionalities and uses of the Facebook Pixel. Conversion tracking. The pixel helps track the actions people take after clicking on your Facebook ad. This could include making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or completing some other desired action. Custom audiences. You can create custom audiences based on the data collected by the pixel. This allows you to target specific groups of people with your ads, such as those who have visited a certain page on your website. Lookalike audiences. Using the data gathered from your pixel, Facebook can identify and target people who are similar to your existing customers. This helps you reach new audiences that are more likely to be interested in your products or services. Dynamic ads. The pixel enables the creation of dynamic ads that automatically show different products or content to people who have visited your website. This is particularly useful for e-commerce businesses with a large inventory. Event tracking. You can set up custom events to track specific interactions on your website, such as button clicks, form submissions, or video views. This provides more detailed insights into user behavior. Now let's move towards setting up pixels on our WordPress website. In Meta Business Suite, click on the All Tools button, then from the options, select Ads Manager. Once you're in Ads Manager, click on All Tools and select Business Settings. Once you're in the Business Settings, go to the Data Sources section. Here, select the Datasets option. To create a dataset, click on the Add button. Next, enter your dataset name and then click on the Create button. After creating a dataset, the next step is to create an event. Click on the Open in Event Manager option in the top right corner. In Event Manager, you will find different options to capture events. The first option is Send from a server, where events and parameters are sent directly from your server using API integration. Server connections can provide extensive event coverage, but typically require more technical investment. The next option is to gather website events from browser activity. This involves capturing events and parameters from a website using a metapixel code snippet. This method only allows website events to be sent, and browser events can be installed due to privacy-preserving technologies. Another option is to share data from mobile app. If you have a mobile app, linking it to your dataset allows customer activity from the app to be shared. This enables you to see app activity alongside other types of event data like your website and offline data. The final option is to share data stored in a spreadsheet. You can manually upload a file containing customer activities, suitable for testing the quality of your event data before investing in a complex automated process. Choose the option that aligns with your requirements. Since we want to integrate pixels with our websites, we will select the Gather Website Events from Browser Activity option. Click on Setup Metapixel. Now you will find two options: manually add pixel code to the website and use partner integration. If you select the first option, Install Manually, you will need to copy the JavaScript code and paste it into the bottom of the head section of the web page. If your website is eligible for integration with supported partners like Shopify and WordPress, choose the second option. Click on Check for Partners, and here you will find various partners for integration. Since our website is based on WordPress, select the WordPress option. Here, follow the steps to connect your website with your Meta account. In WordPress, click on the Plugins option from the left sidebar, then select the Add New button. In the search bar, type Facebook for WordPress. Scroll down in the search results to find the Metapixel for WordPress option. Click on the Install button next to this plugin, and once installed, click on the Activate button. In the Plugins menu, search for Metapixels for WordPress and click on the Settings option. Connect to your Facebook account by clicking on the Get Started button. Log into your Meta account, enter your credentials, and click on the Login button. Select your Business Manager, Facebook page, Ad account, and Meta Pixels, then click on the Next button. Your website is now connected to your Meta account. Now let's move on to testing pixels. Go to your Facebook Meta Business Suite, click on the All Tools option, and from there click on Events Manager. Once in the Events Manager, click on the Data Sources option. Select the Pixel ID, click on Test Events, and then click on Confirm your website's events are set up correctly. Enter your website URL and click on the Open Website option. Navigate to your website. Now in test events, you will notice that your behavior is tracked, and there you have it. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.